Today's guide, I will show you where to go to enable the always show time and information on your lock screen for your Pixel phone with the latest Android 15. So let's just say you're on the lock screen mode here. You're going to see the time, date, and your battery percentage and any additional information that may appear there. Whether you want to do this today or next year, go into the quick access and swipe it down twice, then tap on this settings toggle right here. And the fastest way to find this feature is by using the search settings here. And you're going to type in the words always show time. So go ahead and type that in. You'll see the suggestion. And when you see it, you can choose to turn it on from here or just tap on it. It'll take you to where you need to go next and you'll turn it on from there. And once this is on, you can now have your info like this here. And of course, if you don't want it to be on, just turn it off, as this can use some more battery life than you need to be using. And of course, then it'll just be off from here on. And you can turn it on at any given time, like and sub.